Hi guys, welcome back to IQ's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy vinaigrette sauce. A honey mustard vinaigrette. It's sweet and tangy and slightly thick, and you can use it for salad dressing or for a dip. Now a vinaigrette is essentially just a combination of vinegar and oil, and even though we've learned in school that oil and water don't mix, vinegar and oil in the right proportions and mixed together nicely form what is called an emulsion. That means that the droplets of oil get really small, and they get dispersed through the water and vinegar mixture and make it slightly thick. So this vinaigrette recipe is really simple. It doesn't need any chopping or cutting. It just needs you to have the right ingredients on hand, and all you have to do is mix them together in the right proportions and in the right order. Now, of course, the main ingredients for vinaigrette are vinegar. So I've got some balsamic vinegar over here. You can use any vinegar, but I recommend using balsamic vinegar or apple cider vinegar or any other fruit vinegar because it gives it a nice complex taste. So there's vinegar, and I've got some olive oil here. You can use salad oil or any other light oil, but I prefer olive oil because it gives it a nice flavor. And of course, because it's a honey mustard vinaigrette, we have honey here, and we have mustard. This is yellow mustard. It's not the English mustard that one sometimes gets, which is really strong, but you can use that. Essentially, it's because it's a honey mustard vinaigrette, it's up to you what kind of mustard and what kind of honey you use, or what kind of vinegar and what kind of oil. The main thing is that you put it together in the right order and in the right quantities. I've worked out a sort of a system in which to make sure that the proportions and the order of ingredients is correct. The first thing is that we need vinegar. So there's 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the really important bit is to make sure that you have 1 part of vinegar to 4 parts of olive oil. Otherwise your mixture will not emulsify, and the oil and the vinegar will separate, and you'll just get layers. So that won't be right. It's important to mix in the vinegar, the mustard and the honey first, and then the oil right in the end. So let's get started. See, it's nice and thick. Let me show you that. It's nice and syrupy. It's not something that one would really expect from a mixture of olive oil and vinegar. But there you have it. That's an emulsification. I've already put a little bit of salt and some pepper in there, so about half a tablespoon of, half a teaspoon of salt and a few turns of this pepper grinder. So that helps with bringing the flavors out. The pepper, of course, is completely optional, and the salt you can put in as much or as little as you like. So now this mixture, you can use it immediately, but I would recommend that you let it rest for a couple of minutes, maybe up to about half an hour, to let all the flavors sort of come together really nicely. And then you give it a quick mix, because by then the layers might have separated again. If that happens, don't worry, all you have to do is mix it in together again and it'll be fine. So there you have it.